Watching a K-drama. Oh my god. Please do tell me names of K-dramas that I can watch too. And as you can see, I've come live by mistake. Well, that's how less I'm checking my phone nowadays. But let me just stay, why not? It's fine. Doesn't matter. You guys have seen me in my home look now. And you can hear my dog barking. That's happy. He's very hyper. Thank you. Thank you so much. Um yeah, guys, I have nothing. Nothing. See? Absolutely nothing. This is the filter that I was trying out. Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly, Rohit. That's what happened. Yeah, not very great with technology, as you can see. Thank you. A lot of you guys are talking about Mr. Majnu because it's released now in Hindi dub. So thank you. I think we've reached 30 million in 2.5 days. So that's amazing. Thank you for all the love. I know it's been really long. I actually want to let you all know before I come live again. But yeah, I'm gonna do that soon. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please ask me and I shall answer them. Hi, thank you. I didn't see your name. Sagar. Hi, Sagar. Hi. This is so funny. So, I've been watching this show called Dark, and I can't watch it at night, so I've been watching it during the day. It's really interesting, but it's very, very confusing. You really have to concentrate, when you're watching it. My PUBG ID. Okay, let me give you a clue. It is my nickname plus my favorite video game as a child plus my favorite number. So that's a little clue. And I'm pretty sure I've spoken about these things in my past interviews, so you might just find it. Hi, Vinay. Yes, also, I really want to say thank you to all of y'all for celebrating 50 days trend to my birthday. That was extremely sweet. Thank you so much. I have not actually been using a lot of social media the last couple of days, which is why I've missed a lot of things. So, thank you, for posting 50 days trend. I mean, this birthday is going to be a quarantine birthday, looks like. Not quarantine, lockdown birthday. But it's okay. I mean, if you guys are excited, I'm really happy about it as well. I have to do maths now. I'm sad you're bad at math. Oh no, don't be sad. Math is actually really interesting because you either get full marks or you get zero. So it's all or nothing. So, just practice your problem solving. It's just based on a logic. So actually, I wish I had understood the importance of math when I was in school. Did I play Call of Duty? No, I have not played Call of Duty. Coolest one, I love the new meme that you made. The one with many, many boxes. It was really sweet and it was really cute. So thank you for that. Hi. Hi, Shitij. Shitij also said hi to me. I missed his hi. Hi, how are you? How's your baby? How's Neha? Thank you so much, Vinay. That's very sweet of you. Hello, Yogesh. Attitude overloaded. Well, I have one film. I have two films actually that are in the process of shooting, almost done. I have one film that I'm going to start as soon as this is over, and I do have some other stuff coming up as well. So I will keep you posted. Dhoni sir's birthday. Happy birthday, Dhoni. Have a great rocking year, and I'm sure you're gonna kill it as always. So happy birthday. Nidhi Agarwal, my heartbeat. I'm really sorry. A lot of times I tend to miss things, so I must have just missed it. Hi, Nidhi's my life. Hello. My favorite place. My answer used to be home. Whenever someone would. By the way, that thing you can see in the background, I've made these two things. I've made this wind chime, dream catcher, and I've made that mirror. Like I stuck all of those stones that you can see in that. Anyway, what was I saying? I was saying something. I've forgotten. Yeah, my favorite place used to be home. I used to say that, but right now I just say anywhere. Anywhere, a coffee shop, any place is good. Um, Hi. You like my cuteness? Thank you. Ugandar. Savyasachi and Ismat Shankar 100 million views. Yes, they are. Thank you. We get so much of love from Nepal and from so many other places. Vikram is here. Hi, Vikram. Bula Jadoo. What does that mean, Vikram? इसका मतलब क्या है? मुझे बताओ. अभी बताओ. Bought in fancy store. No, I just said I made it. So, I've not bought it, I've made it. Let's go for a walk. Nidhi Agarwal. We are not in the same city. And it's too late now to go for a walk. I don't want to go right now. There's one guy over here who's saying he hates me. Why? Why, Raja? Why? Why do you hate me? And why are you watching my live if you hate me? Please leave my live if you hate me. You don't need to be here. विक्रम, आप भूल गए थे ना? अरे आपको मैं कैसे भूल सकती हूँ विक्रम? मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा हंसी और एंटरटेनमेंट आप ही की कॉन्वर्जेशन से मिलता है, तो मैं नहीं भूल सकती हूँ. कार्तिक इज हियर. हाय कार्तिक. Larissa is here. Hi. I miss the gym. I miss the gym so much. I miss it so much. बहुत क्यूट हो. आप भी बहुत क्यूट हो विक्रम. जल्दी मिलूंगी आपसे. बस एक कोरोना का वैक्सीनेशन बना दो और मैं आ जाऊंगी. Actress Fashion 69. Thank you. I have absolutely nothing on my eyes. Thanks. That means a lot. My favorite PUBG player is me. I am amazing at PUBG. I always win the chicken dinner. I'm a vegetarian, but I still always win the chicken dinner. So, me. Tomorrow will be your day, Nikki. What does that mean? Hi, Vinod, Che, Sumil. As you guys can see, I love this hairband. I wear it almost every day. It's not even mine, it's my sister's. This is also my sister's. I hardly came here with any clothes, guys. I just came with my handbag. So I've been wearing my mom's and sister's clothes. So yeah. New photo shoot. Well, I don't know when I'm gonna do a new photo shoot. Wait for some time. Hey, don't say things like that, huh, Mr. Rude Boy? I don't appreciate trying to scare me with horror because I get very scared. So please don't say things like that. There is nobody in my back. My house is very, very safe. Yeah. बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ. Thank you, Mora Sheed. I hope I pronounced your name right. Nidhi is my life. Oh my god, that's such a great coincidence. Please keep this. I want to rewatch. Okay, I'll keep it. Please guide me poses for photos. Okay. There's this that I really like because you know it kind of I will do this some other day. This is actually not the right time. Do you remember B? B? What is B? Okay, so guys, ask me some questions. I'm gonna go off soon. It's quite late. My favorite food. South Indian food. I love South Indian food. Other than South Indian, what do I like? I like Italian. I like Mexican a lot. Yeah. You are my biggest friend. Oh, thank you, Jill. Very sweet. Shehzad. Very good dancer. Thank you so much. I absolutely love dancing. You look great. Thank you. Hey babe. Sup, long time. Hey babe. Always see my stories. Yeah, I do. I actually go on to that option on Instagram where you can see your mentions and I check them out. And it's really nice. It's very, very sweet when you guys mention me. I really appreciate it. So thank you. How can I meet you? You'll have to wait. I haven't met anyone. I've just been at home. Nidhi ma'am, I meant to say that I'm going to post a wonderful post about Nikki. Oh, so sweet. That's so sweet of you, Nidhi Agarwal. My heartbeat. Thank you. Favorite movie? Too many. Too many. Right now, I'm very much into dark. I watch a lot of shows, guys. Lot of shows. You want to act in PSPK movie if you had blessed? 1,000,000% yes. Please say something about life. Well, that's a very deep question. Something about life. Gratitude. Always have gratitude because we're alive, we're healthy. We have no reason to not be happy. So be grateful for it. कब आ रही है? I'll let you know. Super hot pilla. Thanks. Love you. Thank you. Favorite dance number? Sheila Ki Jawani. You have a BF? Best friend? Yeah, I do. Boyfriend? No, I don't. What are your parents doing? Please be safe. I don't know. They're outside. They're in their room. I'm in my room. So I really don't know what they're doing. But they're all home. We've all had dinner. Yeah. Mr. Majnu bahut acha hai. Thank you. Favorite food, I said. Any business ideas? Actually, I do. I've been having a lot of business ideas right now. I don't know if it's the best time to start something new, but it's definitely a good time to plan, which is what I'm doing. And I will 100% do something about it once, things are back. What precautions you taking in this pandemic? Okay, this is a very good question. So I am drinking a lot of warm water. In fact, you can see my thermos is right here and I keep filling it into my mug and drinking it. I'm having a lot of vitamin C. 2 fruits a day. One is an orange or orange juice and another fruit. And what else am I doing? I'm having that's it. Yeah. Also, obviously, I'm staying home and I'm wearing a mask if I step out, but I'm really not stepping out. I'm doing everything at home. My exercise, my classes, everything is virtual. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, sorry guys, I missed a lot of stuff. Okay. Venu, hi Venu. Talk about COVID. Well, it's a very challenging time for the whole world, not just for me or you or 5 people or 500 people, for like the entire world. And I have a feeling that we're going to get out of this stronger and we're going to get out of this better. Right now, if we are healthy and we are just staying in a house, we should be grateful for that. And yeah, I just want to tell everybody to put out good vibes, to believe that this will end, and to not go into a spiral thinking that, oh, this is never going to end, next year is going to be like this. Don't have any projections. Just put out good thoughts, because all of our good thoughts together can make a very big difference. So please put out good thoughts. रोज मैसेज करता हूँ मैडम. किस पे? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. What are your views about Dil Bechara? I am, of course, going to watch it. And I am waiting to watch that movie. I've also posted about it. So really waiting to watch that film. My nose is so cute. Thank you. Okay, guys, I gotta go now. And yeah, I mean, it is going to be very emotional for me to watch that film, of course, like each and every one of us. But yeah. Maldives was amazing. It was very, very hot when I went there, and it's beautiful. That it's like, you take pictures and you need to edit something. Maldives is like self-edited. You don't need to edit a single photo taken there. And yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go now. I will come live again and I will let you all know when I'm coming live. Lots of love. Take care.